seasoned meat. It's one of our favorite breakfasts. It's so nutritious and it makes a great start for the day. What in the world? Wait, I said that yesterday. Look down here. It's a Muscovy. There's a white Muscovy in our yard. What's it doing here? This is crazy because there's no ducks around here. I've never seen a duck in this valley. It must have flown in. It's like, is this a wild duck? I don't think anyone has Muscovies up here. What are you doing here? Hey! Are you serious? Look. Are you serious? What in the world? Just making yourself at home, huh? Coming right in the barn? What are you doing? This is not your home. We've had Muscovies in the past and they fly really well, typically. Well, ours did at least. And sometimes they would fly like hundreds of yards, if not like half a mile from our house. Oh, rooster. He's really interested in those ducks. I'm assuming it's a male. They're cornered now. What are they gonna do? Oh, they're gonna run. I'm curious to see if he sticks around. I'm assuming he was drawn in by the ducks and probably flying over and saw the ducks. Anyway, I gotta get to work. The goats are locked in the barn, again, just because I'm trying to finish this fence and I've got 3 more strands to run on it below these 2, and then we'll get it electrified, hopefully get them out in it. I've got a lot of work to do and not a lot of time. Slowly by slowly, this fence is coming together. I'm not gonna get it done today. I know that. I've gotten 2 more strands on it and I have 1 more to go at the bottom. And then I have some T-posts to put in the middle of these long runs. This is for you guys. I'm doing this for you all. And the goats. Then there's a couple other little spots I've got to take care of. Like there's a gap here between this post and the barn that goats or calves could easily squeeze through. I've got to close that in. And then I have to just rebuild this gate. This just needs to be a lot more solid. It's still gonna be, we're still gonna be able to open it. And the same goes for that back gate. After that's done, all the places for them to get out will be enclosed in wire. And then I just have to connect it to electricity. I've got to get this done by tomorrow afternoon. I think I can do that. We planted sweet potatoes in the garden last night and I'm gonna cut back to that because it was such a nice and beautiful time out there as a family. What you looking for?
Bugs to kill. I just squished a whole bunch of, I don't know what they are. I'm gonna have to look it up. They get bigger. They get smaller than that and bigger than that.
Oh wait, that's weird. Oh, it's I think that's like a larval stage maybe of a beetle.
Well, it's dying.
I don't know what it is.
Hey babies. They're really heavy. Shouldn't you wash it off first maybe? Yeah. I think you should. Okay. I have 100 or so slips from our local greenhouse. I have 2 varieties. He was sold out of purple and white and Beauregard, so I just got what he had. I think you're a lot smarter than me. How come you're so much smarter than me? Is it because you were homeschooled?
No.
Is it because you were an Eagle Scout?
I'm not smarter, I'm just faster.
Oh no. Would you like a little bit of help?
Yeah.
No way? You want to do it where you want to do it? Okay, that's fine with me. Because the roots go into the soil, and that's how the plant grows and gets food. How do you get food?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do. How do you get?
Now cover it with all the dirt around it, okay? And the dirt you...
Do you want to go to bed or do you want to help? I'm only asking because you said you were cold, so I thought you might want to go get cleaned up and put jammies on.
Can you come with me?
Right,
yeah, I'll come with you.
Make sure no plants are...
Okay. But I'm going to go put a little one to bed. I'm passing on the sweet potato baton to you.
All right, folks, thanks for joining us. It's been another great day on the homestead. We're almost done with this fencing project that should have been done a long time ago, but I'm pretty pleased. And I know Brianna is really happy. Goodbye. Oh, and this Muscovy, I'm sorry, is, we're sending it away, the lost Muscovy. We have some friends who need or are looking for one Muscovy to add to their flock. And he doesn't really fit in here. And he's not the neighbors, he must have flown in. So hi and bye.